Hi students, today we will learn the second part of chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. The topics included in this part are Test for Divisibility of Numbers and Exercise 3.3. Test for Divisibility of Numbers. A divisibility rule is a method of determining whether a given number is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing division, usually by examining its digits. Divisibility test for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is an even number or 0. Example, 348 is divisible by 2 as its ones digit is an even number. Divisibility test for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Example, 3222 is divisible by 3 as the sum of digits 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 9 is divisible by 3. Divisibility test for 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number found by its last two digits is divisible by 4. Example, 216 is divisible by 4 since its last two digits 16 is divisible by 4. Divisibility test for 5. If the ones digit of a number is either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Example, 75 is divisible by 5 as its ones digit is 5. Divisibility test for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Example, 150 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by 2 and also by 3. Divisibility test for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number found by its last three digits is divisible by 8. Example, 34,216 is divisible by 8 since 216 is divisible by 8. Divisibility test for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Example, 126 is divisible by 9 as the sum of its digits 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9 is divisible by 9. Divisibility test for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit is 0. Example, 170 is divisible by 10 since its ones digit is 0. Divisibility test for 11. Find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at even places from the right of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Example, 3839. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 17. Sum of the digits at even places is equal to 6. Difference is equal to 17 minus 6, that is 11, which is divisible by 11. So 3839 is divisible by 11. Exercise 3.3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. 572. Last two digits 72 is divisible by 4. So 572 is divisible by 4. Last three digits 572 is not divisible by 8. So 572 is not divisible by 8. B. 7,26,352. The last two digits 52 is divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. The last three digits 352 is divisible by 8. So the number is divisible by 8. Question H. 3,17,95,072. The last two digits 72 is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. The last three digits 072 is divisible by 8, so the number is divisible by 8. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. 2,97,144. Since last digit 4 is even, the number is divisible by 2. Sum of digits is equal to 27, which is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6. Question B. 1258. Last digit of the number 8 is even. So the number is divisible by 2. Sum of the digits is equal to 16, which is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 3. The number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, so the number is not divisible by 6. 4335. The last digit 5 is not even, so the number is not divisible by 2. Sum of the digits 15 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. The number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, so the number is not divisible by 6. Question 4. Using divisibility test, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. A. 5445. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 9. Sum of the digits at even places is equal to 9. Difference 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So the number is divisible by 11. 10,824. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 13. Sum of the digits at even places is equal to 2. Difference is equal to 13 minus 2, that is equal to 11, which is divisible by 11. So the number is divisible by 11. 1 crore and 1. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 1. Sum of the digits at even places is equal to 1. Difference is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So the number is divisible by 11. Write the smallest and greatest digit in the blank so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Sum of the given digits 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 19. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, but 19 is not divisible by 3. The smallest digit to be placed in the blank is equal to 2. Then sum of digits is equal to 19 plus 2, that is equal to 21, which is divisible by 3. The greatest digit to be placed in the blank is equal to 8. Then sum of digits is equal to 19 plus 8, that is 27, which is divisible by 3. So the required digits are 9 and 6. Question B. Sum of digits is equal to 24, which is divisible by 3. So the smallest digit to be placed in the blank is equal to 0. Then the sum of digits 24 plus 0 is equal to 24. The greatest digit to be placed in the blanks is equal to 9. Then sum of digits 24 plus 9 is equal to 33, which is divisible by 3. Hence the required digits are 0 and 3. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Question A. Let the digit in the blank space be A. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 14. Sum of the digits at even places is 8 plus A plus 9, that is 17 plus A. Difference is equal to 17 plus A minus 14. Now difference is 11. So 11 is equal to 3 plus A. 11 minus 3 is equal to A. So A is equal to 11 minus 3, 8. So the digit in the blank is 8. Question B. Let the digit in the blank be A. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 4 plus 4 plus A, that is 8 plus A. Sum of the digits at even places is 8 plus 9 plus 8, that is equal to 25. Difference is equal to 25 minus 8 plus a. 11 is equal to 25 minus 8 plus a. After opening the bracket, 11 is equal to 25 minus 8 minus a. 11 is equal to 17 minus a. 11 minus 17 is equal to minus a. Minus 6 is equal to minus a. So a is equal to 6. So the digit in the blank is 6. Home assignment. Write exercise 3.3 in your maths notebook. Thank you.